Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Charity Kalunde and thank you for joining the squad. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a facial charcoal mask with some simple things that you already have. Yeah, without further ado, guys, this is in Kericho. I promise I'll take you there. Yeah, ini majani chai. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So what you need first is any facial cleanser. For me, I use the St. Ives Swiss Formula makeup cleanser, facial cleanser, then some activated charcoal. I prefer the St. Ives because it contains some Swiss botanicals that soothe the skin. Yeah, kind of. So the first step, unachukua hiyo nini activated charcoal. You also need a clean bowl, by the way, ama mahali utakorogea. Yeah, unaweka hapo zote, and then some small, okay, not really small, like equal to proportional. The facial cleanser equal proportional to the charcoal. For me, I use a small amount, like you don't need mingi, juu ikibaki mingi, where will you take it? Yeah, you mix it until ikuwe thick, and then after that, make sure you cleanse your face. Yeah, ndio pores zifunguke. You can first steam ama wash na maji cold. Yeah, pores zifunguke. And then you apply the charcoal. Your mixture. A cousin of mine asked me what's the difference between activated charcoal na charcoal ingine. And in my defense, I think activated charcoal ni ile refined. It's packed, alafu charcoal ingine ni hii, the other charcoal. Alafu si zote hutumika, definitely kuna miti harmful. Yeah, alafu the best thing about activated charcoal iko na chunks like unaweza you can scrub your face with this mixture. Yeah, don't touch your eyes. Yeah, and then you scrub it. And then for me, mostly I get some breakouts hapa kwa forehead at that time of the month. You see that one? Yeah, so make sure you apply it generously mali unapatanga breakouts sana sana. Forehead. Yeah, let it dry. Kitu about 15 minutes hivi. Yeah, let it settle vizuri on your face. Yeah, you see it's starting to dry. Let it dry on the whole face. Then cleanse your face. Alafu cleansing, I really adore, not really adoring, like I believe in double cleansing, mara mbili. And then when you're wiping your face, don't do paragasha on your face, just dab it. Yeah, usipate wrinkles. Yeah, after that, definitely look at the glow. Na bado sijapaka mafuta. So for me, I don't use any serums. I use coconut oil. Yeah, I start with my balcony and then the other parts. Yeah, I have a really big balcony, not really big one. Yeah, apply it generously. Na usifanye paragasha. You know what I mean by paragasha? Your face. You take it outwards. Ndo at least mashavu zako zipate some massage-ish. Yeah. It's also good to do it in the morning. At least inakuamshanga. I do it twice a week for better results. Consistency is everything. Yeah, just look at that glow. Natural. No filters, no nothing. It's just me. Yeah. And I tell you guys, if facial cleanser, it gives some soothing effect. Kama gel ya aloe vera gel. Yeah, and who my Arimis for my lips. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Yeah, you'll see the difference. And remember consistency. I hope you love it. See you next time. Bye.